Hi, welcome to our channel Saha Education Center. So in this part we will learn about Prebook leave and leave planner. So let's understand what is Prebook leave and leave planner. So click on Prebook leave. So this is the Prebook leave data. So whenever any employee wants to take any leave, just enter the data here and that will be affected in the leave planner. As you can see, here employee 1 has taken vacation leave from 5th to 15th and the total days is 7. And again, this employee taken sick leave from 25th and 26th. The leave value is 1. So if you go to leave planner, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are automatically generated. And this is sick leave 1. He has taken from 25th and 26th. As 26th is a holiday, that's why it's not showing up. So let's enter a data and understand. Go to Prebook leave. Here let's enter employee 004. He wants to take annual leave from 5th January 2021 to 7th January 2021. You can see here the leave value becomes 3 and in the leave planner automatically this value appeared. Now as you can see these cells got red. So what are these? Here you can see total staff is 9. Here you can select and total count is 9. So total staff is 9 and staff required in these days are 8. You can change according to your need. And how many leaves are taken, that means staff in leave. So here 2 staff is in leave in these days, here 2, 2, 2. So 1 is a negative value, that is 1 more staff is required. So you can ask this employee not to take leave on these days, but instead of these days he can take leave on 27th, 28th and 29th. If he agrees, then go to Prebook leave and here you can enter 27th to 29th. Again the value is 3. Go to leave planner. So here is again become yellow and AL appeared here. So in this way Prebook leave and leave planner helps you to plan the leaves of the employees so that the work doesn't get hampered in your workplace. So let's understand how to create this Prebook leave and leave planner. On the last part, we have learned about our automated attendance sheet and named it as master sheet so that we can create new attendance sheet from this master sheet. And whenever we select a sheet from here, suppose January or February, if it's already there, it will move to January, and if there is no February or any month, it will create that month. You can see we got February. So in this way it can be done, and we can enter multiple attendance with bulk attendance. We can clear these attendance sheets with check days. We can use different weekends and same weekend. We can see the report here. So this is a completely automated attendance sheet. So now today we will learn about Prebook leave and leave planner. So first we will delete this February sheet and then create a new sheet and rename it as Prebooked leave and reduce this column width and row height and type here Prebooked leave. Okay, then reduce this height and type here employee ID, employee name, then leave type, then leave from, leave to, total days. Now format this. So first select all this, then merge and left alignment, then select this font, select this color and here black and font of your choice, and go to more borders and select here this color and select this border, give a top border and bottom border and OK. And now to this one, so go to home, select this color, font white, make it bold and go to more border and it is black, so select this one, give top and border, OK. And now auto fit all this. Yes, it's ready. Now we will leave this first line. Our data will start from the 6th row. So first we want to create a dynamic range for all these fields. So first go to formula, then name manager. Here click on new and type here Prebook leave, PBL underscore employee ID, EMPID. And here for dynamic range we have to start with offset equal to offset bracket open. Our starting range will be this one, comma, it will start from one cell down, so 1, comma, 0 to the right, comma, the height will be count A bracket open, select up to this and change 14 to 9999 4 times. Then you can enter 9999 entries for this Prebook leave. And if you want to add more, you can add in this dynamic range. Then bracket close, comma, 1 column width, bracket close, OK. So now we got this single blank range and this 5th row will be hidden. So now select this, copy it and again new PBL underscore EMP name and paste the formula here and change just here C from B to C. OK, now it's this one. Again new PBL underscore leave type, paste and here it should be D. OK, now again PBL underscore leave from, paste and here E. OK, now again PBL underscore leave to, paste the formula here and here instead of B type F. OK, now total days PBL underscore total days, paste the formula here and instead of B it should be G. OK, so we have completed creating this. Now we have to create some formula so that when we enter a employee ID, the name of the employee automatically gets generated. So here equal to index bracket open, our array will be employee data, so employee manager here EM, employee name, comma, row number match, lookup value will be this one, comma, lookup array will be employee manager, employee name, comma, exact match 0, bracket close for match, bracket close for index. So here we are getting error value. So to get rid of this error, here we will give two things. Number one, if this cell equal to blank, then blank, bracket close, and then go to end, bracket close for if, enter. So we are getting here the blank result. There is no error. So if I type here EMP001, you can see it's showing incorrect result. So there must be a problem. Let's see what is the problem. If B5 equal to blank, then blank, index, employee name, match B5 with employee name. Okay, here it should be employee ID, employee ID. Okay, so we got the name, but in case we enter any wrong ID, then also we are getting an error value. So to get this problem solved, type here if error and at the end comma, double quotation, bracket close, enter. So we are getting blank result. So here, yes. So now you have to drag this formula up to your need. So here I am just entering up to 200 cells. Okay. So here you can see we got all blank result because there is no ID. Now here for leaf type. So in the leaf type, we can create a drop down list of leaf or we can enter it manually. So if you want to create a drop down list, just select the range you want. Suppose I am taking up to 205. Then go to data validation, select here list, and here you can type one by one, that is AL, comma, SL in this way, or you can just go to setting sheet and select this, then click OK. It should be up to this one. Okay. Now you can see we have got AL, SL, ML, CL, VL, all this list. Now here we will enter the leave from date and leave to date, and here it should be total days. How to calculate this total days? So first let's take here AL and leave from 5th January 21 to 15th January 21, and now we will calculate the total days. So here we have to first use the date difference function. So type equal to date diff, bracket open, first date comma last date comma. To get the total number of days, within quotation we have to type D, bracket close, enter. So we got here 10 days, but actually from 5th to 15th it should be 11. So for that we have to add plus 1. So we have got the 11 days. Now here we can see from 5th to 15th we have 1 weekend and 2 holidays. So this should be subtracted. So here we'll use minus sum product, and our sum product should be for holidays. So bracket open, S underscore holiday dates greater than equal to this date, comma, bracket close, into bracket open same S underscore holiday dates less than equal to this date, bracket close for this one and bracket close for some product. Now here you can see, if we select this one and press F9, here we are getting the true and false, because there are dates list. So those which matches with this date, that got true, and which are not greater than this date, it got false. And for this, that is less than F5, press F9, the date which are less than 15, that is true, else all are false. Now these true false will be multiplied with this true false. So true is 1, false is 0. So first true will be multiplied with the first true here, so that should be 1, and if false is multiplied with true, then it should be 0. So that 1 and 0 will be summed. So now here, if I press enter, it will not work. We have to, as this is an array formula, we have to press Ctrl Shift Enter, and here we got 9. So here we can see there is 2 holiday. So from 11, 2 holiday is subtracted. Now it became 9. Now 1 week off should be subtracted. So for that, here again, so for our convenience, here we will press Alter Enter, so it will get different lines. And now here again, minus Alter Enter sum product, and now here we have to sum product the week offs. So for that, we have to create a date range between these two dates. So for that, here we have to use text bracket open. Now here we will create a range. So for that, a row within bracket indirect this one, and quotation, within quotation give colon, then here again and then this one, then bracket close for indirect, bracket close for a row, comma. Now this range from this date to this date, the for text we have to use DDD and bracket close for text equal to S underscore week 1. So here bracket close for some product and press Ctrl Shift Enter. So we got here again 9. There is one weekend for Sunday, so 1 should be here in the setting. We have Sunday, so here 1 should be subtracted. So let's see. First indirect function, this one, F9. Okay, it's not row, F9. So here we got the dates between these two dates, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 dates is fine. Now if I select this one and press F9, so we got the days. Now if I select this one, press F9, show true false. Okay, here we should multiply, here bracket, one bracket open, multiplied by 1 bracket close, enter. So now you can see it's 8. So now in the same way we will do it for week 2. Copy, minus alter enter, Control V, here it should be week 2. Now press Alt Control Shift Enter. The result is still 8 because there is only one weekend. If there is 2 weekend, then here another 1 will be subtracted or 2 will be subtracted. But as there is only 1 weekend, it's not subtracting for week 2. Now, another problem is there that if there is a coincidence between the holidays and the weekends, then that day should be added. So for that, type here plus, alter, enter. So in the same way, we have to do sum product, then here text, then holidays, s underscore holiday dates, comma, ddd, then bracket close, equal to s underscore week 1 bracket close multiplied by this function. Copy, then paste it here. Then again plus, alter, enter, select this, copy and paste it here. And here it should be week 2. Now Control Shift enter. So here, okay, now we got 8. So here you can see in the January the value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our formula is perfectly okay. Now we have to do is drag this formula till 200, 5. Okay, here we are getting the error value. So for that, here we will give if error, then at the end, comma, double quotation, bracket close and Control Shift enter. Now drag this till the end. Now there is no error. And again, if I type EMP002, here if I select ML from 10th January 21 to 12th January 21, so we got 1 total days. So let's see in the January 10 to 12. So 10 is week off, 12 is week off, only 1 day. So it is okay. Now you can delete this and hide this one. Now from here, first select B6 to G9999, and now we will format these cells with alternate row color. So go to Home, Conditional Formatting, New Rule, use a formula to determine which cell to format. Now here equal to, and this cell, so the column should be locked, not equal to blank, comma, is even, bracket open, row. Okay, now here I will give a format, that is fill color should be this one. So it should be, let's give white, and border outline. Okay, okay, so here is one problem, and bracket close for and. Okay, so we got, now we have to give another one, Home, New Rule, this one, same formula, equal to, and bracket open, this cell not equal to blank, comma, is odd bracket open, row, bracket close for isOR, bracket close for AND. Now here select fill color this one, border outline, okay, okay. Now if I type here EMP005, you can see it is automatically formatted. So in this way we have to create the Prebook leaf, and now we will create the leaf planner. So create a new sheet and delete this one and rename it as leaf planner. Okay, now first reduce the column width and the row height, then type here leaf planner, then reduce this row height, then type here select year, select month, then select day, and leave one cell and give a separator, and here start date, end date, total days. Now we will calculate this. So first select year. So for that we will create a drop down list. We have the list for year. So first go to data, then data validation. Here select list and here press F3. You will get the setting year list, this one. Okay, okay. So we got here the year list, and now here again data validation list, and here press F3 and select month list, this one. Okay, so we got the month list and our select day. So here we will type manually 1. It will start from day 1. So here the year is 2021, month is suppose January, and the start date is 1. So the start date will be equal to date value, then date text. So this one and this one and this one, bracket close, enter, and end date equal to EO month. Our start date is this one, comma 0, bracket close, enter. Now select this two cell, go to home, select short date, and if you want 4-digit year, then right click, format cell, and go to custom, and here type YY. Okay, so we got 4-digit year. Now for total days equal to this date minus this date plus 1. So we got 31 days. But here if date starts from 5, you can see here the start date became 5th January 2001, but the end date is 31st January 2021. It should be 4th February 2021. So for that, here we have to add this one minus 1. So you can see here, now it's working well. So now just format it. So select this cell, go to home, and select this color, font color black, go to border and select this color and select this border and give it top and bottom, and here font size to 14 and font face of your choice. Okay, now it's looking good. So we will leave one row here. Okay, now format this one. So first select this to home, then go to more border. Here we will give this border, and in the middle we'll give this border. Sorry, color should be this one. So again this one is outline, okay, and here fill color should be this one, okay. Okay, here should be another border, the inside border, okay. And in the same way we have to create this one. So select this one, select format painter and select here. So now it's okay. We have to format this one, the date again. Right click, format cell. So number, custom, dd, YYYY. Now type here EMPID and here EMP employee. Then select this cell and merge it. Again select this cell and merge it and give it a left alignment, sorry, center, left alignment and center. Now here we will create a date row and the day row here. So for that, here it will be equal to this date, enter, and now here it should be equal to if this cell is less than this cell. Press F4 to lock this, then this cell plus 1 else blank, bracket close, enter. So we got the date here. So format this to date, right click, format cell, and the custom, press DD, okay. Now you drag this formula till 31, okay. Now select this cell, right click, column weight 3.57, okay. So now here we have to move this one further and select these cells and merge left alignment, again merge left alignment, merge left alignment, and here also merge left alignment, merge left alignment and merge left alignment, okay. And here we will give the formatting again. So right click, format cell, our fill color is okay. Here border, in the border we'll give outline this one, middle, and in here we'll give this one, okay. So we got all the dates. So if you change the month to February, you can see it's up to 28. If you took April, it's up to 30. If you take January, it's up to 31. So now here we will create the day row. So for that, select here equal to text, bracket open, value will be this cell, comma, format of the text will be within quotation DDD, quotation close, bracket close, enter. So we got Friday. Now drag up to 31, okay, and rotate this like this way, okay. Now select these cells and make it center middle, center, okay, as below, okay. Now we have to format these cells. So select these two also by holding the control key. Now go to home, select this one, bold, font color white, and border all border. Okay, so our this one is done. Here it should be merged and left. Now it's done. Now type here EMP001, and here we will fetch a value that is the name of the employee. So to do that, first type equal to if this cell is equal to blank, then blank. Otherwise, we'll use index function to fetch the name. So index employee manager employee name, comma, value will be this ID, comma, em employee ID, comma, 0 for exact match, bracket close for match, bracket close for index, and bracket close for if. Enter. So we got the name. Now we have to drag this formula to 100 employees. Okay, it's 101. So up to this is 100. So you can see there is no employee ID because this one is blank, and here it should be no fill. Okay, now if we give here employee 002, employee 003, in this way we have to enter the names. So now first we will give a conditional formatting for alternate row color. So for that we have to use up to this 109. So select this colon C109. Okay, now go to conditional formatting, new rule, select this one, equal to, and this cell, lock the columns. Okay, not equal to blank, comma, is even, bracket open, row, bracket close for even, and bracket close for and here we'll give just border only. Okay, and for this odd row we will give another condition, equal to, and this cell not equal to blank, comma, is odd, bracket open, row, bracket close for and, format, and here border, and fill color is this one. Okay, okay, so here we got the alternate row color for this one, so you use this one also. So go to manage rule, and here type comma, then select some rows, and here it should be 09. So it is done, and now here select this one, A, apply, copy this one, and comma, sorry, paste it here. Okay, apply, and here it should be up to 9, apply. Okay, now the alternate row color has finished. Now if I type here EMP004, yes, it's perfectly okay now. So fill all the IDs here. So here it should be 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. Now here we will put the formula so that we can fetch this leave value within these dates here. So as we can see, employee 2 Orjit Mondal has taken medical leave from 10th to 12th. So with the help of formula from 10 to 12, here we have to fetch the value ml with the help of formula. So here equal to if. So first we will fetch the holiday, after that we will fetch the week off, and then we will fetch the leaves, because if the leaves coincides with the holiday or week offs, then that will not be counted. So for that reason, first we will fetch the holiday. So if this cell log the column equal to blank, then here it should display blank, comma, if use countif function, our range will be from settings, holiday dates, comma, our criteria will be this date. So here log the row. If the result of this formula is 1, then we have a holiday in this date. So here we'll put equal to 1. Then here it will display HL, comma, if count if the range will be weekend, and comma, and the criteria will be this one. Here we will also log the row. Okay, bracket close, equal to 1. That means if the value of this result is equal to 1, then that means we have this date as weekend. So here week off should display. So comma, within quotation type WO, comma, else we will display the leaves. So for that we have to use index function and the type. So PBL leave type, comma, our row number. The row number will be fetched through an array formula, because we have to match 3 things. First the employee ID here, then we have to match the date, this date and this date. 3 things we have to match. So for that we have to use the array formula. So delete this one, sorry, leave type, comma, so row number start with match, comma, 1. Here in the lookup array we'll use the array formula. So first PBL employee ID, sorry, here first bracket should be opened, okay, then equal to this one, and here the column should be locked, okay, bracket close into, and again bracket open. Then this date should be greater than equal to leave from, bracket close, and this date should be less than equal to leave to. So PBL leave to, and here this should be F4, yes, row should be locked, then bracket close. So we have used 3 formulas. PL employee ID equal to this cell must be greater than equal to leave from, and this cell should be less than equal to leave to. So comma 0 for exact match, bracket close for match, bracket close for index, and 1 2 3 bracket for if. Now here we have to press Ctrl Shift Enter. So here we got HL. Now drag this formula till the end. So here we are getting some error. So for error we'll use here if error, and at the end comma double quotation bracket close, Ctrl Shift Enter, and again drag this. So you can see all these cells are blank, only this ML is displayed and holiday and week off are displayed. So now first we will hide this holiday and week off with the help of the conditional formatting. So first drag this up to 109. Yes. So as there is no employee ID, these are showing blank. So first from here colon AI 109, and now we will use the conditional formatting. Home, conditional formatting, new rule, this one here, equal to, or this cell, make it relative, equal to HL, bracket close, sorry, comma, again this cell equal to WO, then bracket close. Then format, fill color will be this one, font color will be this one, then OK. Now we can see the leaves and holiday get hidden, only ML is shown. Now as we enter here for employee 5, here suppose annual leave from 5th January 21 to 20th January 21. So we got the leave value 12, and if I go to leave planner, you can see it is automatically displayed. So here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Here we got 12. So select this. You can see it, here the count is 12. So in this way we have to create the formula to display the leave types in this leave planner. And now we have to create a report so that we can plan the leaves for our employee. So for that, first we will hide up to row 109. Yes, then hide. So we have hide up to 109, and we will leave one row, and here we will display the results. So first we will type here total staff, and here staff required, and here staff in leave, and here staff excess oblique required. So now we have to use the formula. So here merge it, and we will count the number of employees. So equal to count A from B10 to be 109, bracket close, enter. So here we have 9 employees, and now in the staff required you can enter it manually, and in staff in leave we have to use formula. So for that, equal to count if, bracket open, our range will start from here to 109, comma, our criteria will be within quotation star question mark quotation close, bracket close, enter. So we got here 9, but if we drag up to this, we can see that here we got 9, 9, here 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, here again 9, but these are correct, but these are not correct, because these values came from the, here is our holiday or week off, that's why it's showing. That's why here we will subtract count if, bracket open, our range again start from here, and here it should be 109, and comma, criteria will be HL, close, bracket close, copy this one, and at the end put minus, paste, and instead of HL we will put WO, then press enter. So here we got 0. We do not have any leaves in this cell. Now drag this up to here. Now you can see that here is 1 leaf, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 2 leaf here, because one is ML and one is AL. Now suppose we need at least 8 staff. So drag this, make it center middle, and now how many are in shortage? So we will first give a condition that if this is a holiday or a week off, then here it should be 0, else required minus in leave. So for that, equal to if this cell, then log the row equal to HL, and here we have to put or, comma, again this cell equal to WO, then here we will display 0, else total number of employee, here give a bracket, total number of employee minus total staff in leave, bracket close, minus required, then bracket close, enter. So here we got 0. Now drag this, and sorry, here we have to log all this. So first here B12 we have press F4. For E, here we have to log the row, and E12 also log the row. Okay, now it's perfect. Now drag up to here and make it middle center. So here you can see, as it is a holiday and or leave, this is showing 0, and here it is showing a positive result, that is 1, and here also 0, positive 1, then 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Here we got a negative 1. So what does all this means? 0 means the staff required and staff presence is same, that's why it's showing 0. There is no excess staff, or there is no requirement of extra staff. And 1 means it is a positive 1, that's why it means that we have one extra staff or one excess staff. And negative 1 means one staff is required. So when we see this type of value, that means here we need a employee, then we have to see which employee has taken leave in this date. So here we can see employee 2 and employee 5 has taken leave, but employee 5 has taken from 5 to 20. So it would be problem for this employee to change this date, but it would be easier for this employee to change the date from here to here or any other date. Suppose I can tell him to take the leave on 4th or maybe after 20, that is 21, 22. So if he agrees, then you go to Prebook leave and change the date. So here is 21, so we can give here 21, this is 10 to 12, so we can say here 21 to 23. So here now it's 3 leave, and if we go here we can see 3 leaves are shown here. So now there is no negative value, that means your planning is going well. So now we will format this. So for that, select all this and go to home, conditional formatting, new rule. Here type equal to or bracket open this cell, log the row equal to HL, comma, again this cell, log the row equal to WO, bracket close. Format, still color this one, okay, okay. You can see these are displayed. Now here you have to give a border. Okay, and for these cells we will display another conditional formatting, new rule. This cell equal to this cell equal to 0, then it would be yellow color. Again new rule equal to this cell greater than equal to 1, then it's green, and another one equal to this cell less than equal to 0, then it should be red. But here we have to do another thing, manage rule. We will put this conditional formatting at the top. So now you can see, sorry, here is a mistake in the conditional formatting. So this one is equal to 0, greater than 1, and it should be less than 0, not equal to, and this one greater than equal to 1. Okay, so now it's perfectly working. So here again let's see, if I type here P007, he has taken a sick leave for 6th January 2021 to 6th January 2021. Sorry, yeah, okay, here the leave value is 1. So if you go here, you can see he has taken a sick leave in this day. So here we got a minus value. So in this way you can do this, but here is one problem, that is, if we want to enter new employee, then we have to hide and unhide these rows again and again. So for that we will use a VBA macro to automatically increase one row when we enter a new employee and hide the row if we delete any employee. And here is another problem, that is, when we select February, you can see here it got up to 28, but these columns are not hidden. So for that purpose we have to also automatically hide these 3 columns, and these rows automatically hide and hides when we enter new data or delete the data. So for that, press Alt F11 and open this leave planner, and here select worksheet and then change, and here we will put the code. So this code is for hiding and aligning the columns, here this one. So for that, here you can see dim I as integer, if not intersect target range C5, then. So what is C5? So here C5 is the month. That means when we change the month, then only this code will run. So here we started a loop from 5 to 35, I equal to 5 to 35. So 5 is this one and 35 is this one. So column number 5, column number 35. So now if cells 9i, 9 is this one, this row is 9. So 9i, so 9 is the row number, I, first I is 5, so it is column E, so E5. 9i means E5 dot value equal to blank. If this value is equal to blank, then this column will get hidden, otherwise it will be unhidden. So you can see equal to blank, then this cell dot enter column dot hidden equal to true, else false. And if next I means, it will again and again check the 5th row, then 6th row, then 7th row, it will check up to 35th row, and if it finds the cell is blank, then it will hide that entire column, else it will unhide the entire column. And then here, if not intersect target B10 to C10, that means if we change anything within B10 to C110, if we change from here to up to 110, then it will run, otherwise it will not run. So here dim j as integer, x as integer. Here we assigned x equal to application dot count a. That means it will count in sheet 2. So it is sheet 6. So here we have to put sheet 6. Range cells 10, row 10. This is column number 2, that means B. So B10 to B109. So here we are doing 110. We are taking one row extra. So it will count all these cells from B10 to B110 and it will get a number. Suppose here from B10 to E10 we have just 9 cells that have a value. So X value becomes 9, and for J equal to 10, 2 X plus 11. So what is X? Here X is 9 plus 11. Why it is plus 11? Because it will check from 10. That means here you can see cells 10 to. That means B10, from B10 to which row it will check? It will check only 9 plus 11. So our 9 plus 11 is 20. So it will check only up to row number 20. So if cells J2 equal to blank, that means B10 equal to blank. So here we can see B10 is not blank. So it will not get hidden. Cells J2 enter row or hidden equal to true. So as B10 is not blank, that's why it will not get hidden. And if it's blank, then it will be hidden. In that way, it will check all the rows from 10 to 20. Here X is 9 and 11 is, here X is 9 plus 11, 20. So it will check from row number 10 to row number 20. As we increase here the employees, the value of X will increase and automatically it will check the maximum number of rows. So after that, cells X is here 9 plus 10. That means 9 plus 10 is equal to 19. 2 is B, so B19 dot enter row dot hidden equal to false. So this row will get unhidden. So let's check how it is working. So go here, first save the file and change it to January, then again change it to February. You can see it's all hidden. If I give a March, it's open, and we took here again January. And now if I delete this employee, you can see we are deleting 18, then this one also we are hiding. You can see automatically this cell is getting hidden. Now it's 16, you can see, now it's 15, now it's 14, you can see it's getting hidden. And if I enter EMP005, we got an extra cell, EMP007, EMP008, EMP009, then again EMP010. So in this way we are getting the extra row. Now select this, go to home, give a border, fill color this one, okay, and select this one, make it center middle, okay. Now it's done. So in this way you have to create the Prebook leaf and the leaf planner, and with the help of these two sheets you can easily plan the leaves of your employee so that the work in your office or any workplace doesn't get hampered. So these two sheets will be very much beneficial for your company. So in the next tutorial we will learn about the employee report. That means when we select an employee here, suppose employee 1, then details of employee 1 is displayed here, and you can see the total number of present, absent, half day, or all this within the year. So this will also give you a exact report of a single employee one by one. If you want to see here employee 3, we got here 3. If you take here 4, you got here the report of 4. So in this way you can watch the total report of the employee. So in the next tutorial we will learn this. So I hope you have understood this tutorial very well, and if you have any problem or queries, you can ask me in the comment section. I will surely reply you. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel so that you can get the notifications from our channel when we upload new video. So thanks for watching the video. See you soon in the next tutorial. Hi, welcome to our channel Saha Computer Education Center. So in this part we will learn about Prebook leave and leave planner. So let's understand what is Prebook leave and leave planner. So click on Prebook leave. So this is the Prebook leave data. So whenever any employee wants to take any leave, just enter the data here and that will be affected in the leave planner. As you can see, here employee 1 has taken vacation leave from 5th to 15th and the total days is 7. And again, this employee taken sick leave from 25th and 26th. The leave value is 1. So if you go to leave planner, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are automatically generated. And this is sick leave 1. He has taken from 25th and 26th. As 26th is a holiday, that's why it's not showing up. So let's enter a data and understand. Go to Prebook leave. Here let's enter employee 004. He wants to take an annual leave from 5th January 2021 to 7th January 2021. You can see here the leave value becomes 3, and in the leave planner automatically this value appeared. Now as you can see, these cells got red. So what are these? Here you can see total staff is 9. Here you can select and total count is 9. So total staff is 9 and staff required in these days are 8. You can change according to your need and how many leaves are taken. That means staff in leave. So here 2 staff is in leave in these days. Here 2, 2, 2. So 1 is a negative value. That is 1 more staff is required. So you can ask this employee not to take leave on these days, but instead of these days he can take leave on 27th, 28th and 29th. If he agrees, then go to pre-book leave and here you can enter 27th to 29th. Again the value is 3. Go to leave planner. So here is again become yellow and AL appeared here.